Yeah, it's good. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Happy Labor Day. And welcome to week two for our for this week. So let me go ahead and review kind of what's due this week in this section here. Obviously, you'll be reading chapter two, taking a look at the PowerPoints that are there, talking about how those are. There's also a definitely a there's a video that is attached to that as well. If you would like to review that, Dr. Sharp did an excellent video there of this material here in this course, and that's what that is right there. Now, if we're going to take a look at chapter case 1.3 in the book. So let's take a look at those aspects of this week's discussion. Which is our first discussion here, right here. Okay, we've actually got somebody who's actually posted some of that already. That's just good. We got two people who've posted already. That's great. But you're going to take a look at this, and the case is in the book. So let's take a look at accessing the book. Make sure everybody can do that. Let's go to the modules again. And we're going to take a look into week two. Right here. So we're going to take a look at chapter two, which is the normative theory of ethics, utilitarianism. This is going to be, let's see if this takes us, I think this just takes us to the discussion. Okay. So let's go back. Sorry about that, guys. Clicked on the wrong one. So let's go ahead and click into the actual textbook here. It's going to open up in a new window. Okay, so then we're going to click into the normative theory of ethics. This is where we get into some meat. We got in egoism, utilitarianism, Kant, all sorts of fun stuff in relation to the actual aspect of this. So then we're going to take a look at 2.1 here, which is our case. If you look over here, and we're going to be looking at you're going to read through this, and then we've got these questions here. So let's take a look at the questions that we're looking at. Once again, over here. Okay, let's go back one here. Okay, so then we're going to take a look at the come on, stop that. There we go. Okay, so I'm in the wrong chapter. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and close this out. We'll go back to chapter 1, the nature of morality. There we go. Case 1.3. And then we're in the A summit affair, and then we've got the questions at the end that you guys will be answering. Okay. So we got plenty of questions to answer and take a look at this week. I'll be getting those discussions. I'll be commenting on the case as we go along here. It'll be probably Friday. Between Friday and Saturday, I'll be commenting on there and really getting in putting some things in there for you guys to think about. Remember, this is not in this case, there's not necessarily, it's all about how you view things. Just think about how you would view things and how you justify things. Okay, as we take a look at morality. Okay. So this is due on Thursday. And then we'll be able to comment over the weekend on these discussions. That's it pretty much for that in the mind tap this week. Chapter 2 is definitely got some meat into it as far as understanding that. Dr. Sharp's done a good job of explaining it through the videos. So if you're more than welcome to read through that video, I would follow that link and definitely take a look at that. So if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to reach out to me, either by booking through bookings with me, or reach out directly to me on the actual through actual email. Either one of those works very well. Thursday and Friday are looking pretty good this week. I'll be in the class both those days pretty heavily. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Next couple of days are going to be a little tougher, but I can certainly work anything in if you need to. Feel free to get a hold of me if you have any questions, and I expect some of you will, because this is not easy material. And as we take a look at how you progress and how you philosophically justify your decisions, and that's what's key. So that's the first half of this course. If you have any questions, like I said, feel free to reach out. I'll be glad to go over it with you and wrap your head around it. Have a great week, everybody.